Hey guys, so today I'm just doing a quick clean with me, nothing too major. I just wanted to see if I could give y'all a little motivation. The house was a little messy, so I decided to give it a quick clean. I didn't clean the kids' rooms or their bathroom, but I did clean the kitchen, living room, my room, and I straightened up my bathroom a bit. Not too much. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope it gets you a little motivated. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe if you like videos like these. I do one once or twice a week. And anyway, I'm just going to hop into it. I'm going to start in my kitchen and then work my way throughout the house. So I'll talk to y'all in a bit.
To be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. For a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips.
So what y'all are seeing is just stuff that I do basically every day during the week. And usually on Mondays I do a deep clean and on Fridays I do a deep clean. That is just to get ready for the weekend and then to get over the weekend. So anyway, yeah, this is just basically what I do on the daily. Either I do it at night or in the morning or both or 3 times a day. Just depends on my mood and how much I really want to do. But usually I do like to keep the house pretty clean, so I will do this twice a day. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to come on and explain that. So I'm not really going to be like scrubbing the bathtubs or doing anything crazy like that. This is just a quick cleanup and, you know, tidy up.
When I try to get his number, I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart.
then in my living room, I just had a few things to put away. I had been doing laundry and just piling it on the couch. So I'm just going to put all that away and then straighten up a little bit and clean the floors. And I was kind of glad I cleaned up a little bit this day because we had friends come over that night and I wasn't expecting company. And that usually always happens, like where I'm like, oh, I'm not going to do any cleaning today. And then somebody will show up and then I can have my house like spotless and immaculate. And then nobody comes by for weeks and weeks and weeks. But it always happens. Like, so I was surprised that on this day, the house was actually clean and we had some friends come by. But they do have kids of their own, so our kids and their kids, I definitely have a lot to go clean up today in their rooms. But anyway, yeah, so I was glad that I cleaned up today.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
In here in my master bathroom, I was just cleaning my makeup brushes today, and so I just needed to put those up and put my hot iron up, and I'm just gonna wipe things down. Like I said, I'm not gonna be cleaning any bathtubs or doing anything like that. I'm just straightening up and tidying up. And then, like I said, on Friday, I'll usually do a really deep clean, and then on Monday I'll do a deep clean. But yeah, so I'm just wiping things down, freshening it up a bit, and putting things away. Same in my bedroom. I'm just gonna make my bed and that's about it. I'm not gonna vacuum, I'm not gonna dust. I'm just gonna make my bed and leave it be.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you.
So that's gonna be about it today, guys. It was just gonna be a little quick tidy up with me, clean with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it got y'all a little bit motivated. I know it's not my deep clean, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I do every day. So anyway, I hope y'all like this, and please subscribe. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, if you like videos like these, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will talk to y'all guys later. Bye, guys.
I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but
you're off my radar.